In this video, we're going to show you how to fix dimension values not updating automatically in AutoCAD. Dimensions play a critical role in any AutoCAD drawing because they communicate the exact size and location of objects. One of the biggest benefits of using dimensions is that they normally update automatically whenever you modify the geometry. However, there may be times when you stretch, move, or edit an object and the dimension value doesn't change. This can be confusing and may lead to inaccurate drawings if the issue isn't corrected. The good news is that dimension update problems are usually caused by a simple setting or an association issue, and they can often be fixed in just a few steps. By the end of this video, you'll learn 2 quick methods that can help restore automatic dimension updates and keep your drawings accurate. So, let's get started. The first method is to regenerate the drawing. Type regen into the command line and press enter. This refreshes the entire drawing and forces AutoCAD to update displayed objects and dimensions. Once the command is complete, check whether the dimensions now reflect the latest geometry changes. If the dimensions are still not updating, the next thing to check is dimension association. Select one of the dimensions and see whether it remains attached to the object it is measuring. If a dimension has become disassociated, AutoCAD can no longer track changes to the geometry automatically. In this case, recreate the dimension or reassociate it with the correct object and then test it again. In most situations, these 2 methods are enough to solve the problem. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, use the regen command to refresh the drawing and update displayed dimension values. Second, check whether the dimensions are properly associated with the objects they measure. And third, recreate or reassociate any dimensions that have lost their connection to the geometry. Remember that dimensions are only able to update automatically when they maintain a valid link to the objects being measured. If that connection is broken, the displayed value may no longer reflect the actual geometry. Taking a few moments to check dimension associations can help prevent errors, improve drawing accuracy, and ensure that your plans remain reliable throughout the design process. It's a simple troubleshooting technique, but it can save a lot of time and help avoid costly mistakes later. And that's how to fix dimension values not updating automatically in AutoCAD. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who work with AutoCAD. Your support helps us create more tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tips to make your AutoCAD workflow faster and more efficient. If there's another AutoCAD feature or issue you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.